How do you prevent frozen pipes? Well, one of the key things is keep your heat at 55 or higher. Add insulators. Pipe insulators do work. You can buy these pre-slit, pre-cut. They come in 4-foot lengths, and they even come with T's and L's for all of the turns. So you would add these to the crawl space, the basement ceiling, all of those places where you don't have drywall and insulation. The other thing is you want to leave your faucet on a trickle so that it drips when you go to bed or you're not at home. Otherwise, you want to be using your faucets and drains and flushing toilets every 2 hours, 3 hours when the temperatures really dip so that you know water keeps moving. Think of a pond versus a creek. A moving body of water does not freeze as fast as a still body. The other thing is to open up the cabinets where your kitchen sink faucet is, your bathroom vanity. Open those up so that the warm air can migrate better. That does not mean you should put space heaters in cabinets. That's a no-no. That creates a fire hazard.